Hello vlog and happy Monday. I thought I'd shoot today's intro video in front of my gorgeous rhododendron. This is out in front of my house. There's no filter, this is just the sunlight. Um, so this week was spent working on the Instagram challenge. I'm sending samples to anybody who wants to try essential oils and take part in the Instagram challenge. That's actually still open. I thought I would close it last Thursday and we would start today, but instead, to give everybody time to get their essential oils, I'm closing it this Wednesday, and the challenge is going to start next Monday. So if you haven't signed up for that, there'll be links below. That's what I worked on all week, and I stocked flowers everywhere. I hope you guys have a great week. It's Tuesday. This is the progress of the peonies so far. The white peonies are going crazy. The pink are about to bud.